When buying a brand new or pre-owned SUV, a few essential aspects should be at the top of your checklist. Two factors that cannot be overlooked are reliability and maintenance cost. Of course, the desire to invest in an SUV with 0 miles on the odometer and hopes of clocking over 250,000 miles down the road requires intuition coupled with optimism. But don't fret, I've got you covered on your quest to find the most reliable SUV in the market today. Hello car aficionados, this is Joe from Carland TV, and in this video I've listed some of the most reliable SUVs that can run over 300,000 miles. Now before I start, I must remind my viewers that this isn't a complete rundown of all the SUVs in the market. I just handpicked a few units that offer practical reliability based on the available data out there. And if you have contentions, please drop them in the comments section below. Before I start, I would like to ask you the favour of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They're going to help the channel a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. GMC Yukon XL. The 2011 GMC Yukon XL is an absolute behemoth of a vehicle. Its sheer size and impressive functionality make it a formidable choice for drivers seeking the ultimate driving experience. But what sets the SUV apart from the rest? Well, let's take a closer look at this top-of-the-line features. Under the hood, the Yukon XL houses a robust 5.3-litre V8 engine that seamlessly pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This dynamic combination delivers ample power and ensures superb handling on any terrain you encounter. When it comes to safety, this vehicle surpasses expectations with its exceptional array of protective features. In terms of reliability, few cars can match up to the mighty GMC Yukon XL. With proper maintenance and regular care, this powerhouse has been known to outlast even its owners themselves. Clocking between 250 and 300,000 miles on the odometer is easily achievable for those who diligently adhere to the scheduled upkeep. In fact, some proud owners have even shared their incredible journeys well beyond 400,000 miles. According to Car Edge's estimates, expect approximately $8,500 in expenses related to repairs and maintenance for your beloved GMC Yukon XL. While these costs may seem daunting at first glance, they're worth considering when compared to the remarkable longevity and unrivaled performance this iconic SUV brings to the table. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has carved a niche for itself in the world of midsize SUVs, cementing its popularity with an array of appealing features. If you're seeking spaciousness, comfort, and a smooth ride combined with agile handling, look no further than this impressive vehicle equipped with an extensive list of standard amenities. When it comes to longevity, Toyota has consistently proven its expertise in engineering vehicles built to withstand the test of time. With a remarkable dependability score of 86 out of 100 from JD Power, the Highlander is among the most durable cars available on the used car market. In fact, according to Motor and Wheels' assessment based on proper maintenance practices, this mid-size SUV can remain a reliable companion even after surpassing an astounding milestone of 300,000 miles. Not only does the traditional gasoline-powered Highlander showcase incredible endurance, but its hybrid variant is equally exceptional. The robust Toyota Highlander Hybrid exhibits phenomenal resilience by clocking distances up to a staggering 245,000 miles or more, a testament to engineering prowess and environmentally friendly efficiency. While durability takes precedence when purchasing any vehicle, cost considerations are also important in managing it throughout its lifetime. Reassuringly, budget-conscious drivers will find solace in knowing that over 10 years of ownership experience, they may spend an average amount worth approximately $5,700 solely on repairs and maintenance expenses. A reasonable price tag considering the sustained reliability offered by this outstanding model. Additionally, Repair Pal's data highlights manageable annual repair costs amounting to just around $500. The icing on the top for future owners aiming for stress-free driving experiences supported by dependable transportation. Investing in a vehicle as resilient as the 2018 Toyota Highlander offers peace of mind and ensures a long-lasting satisfaction through every adventure taken together. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is an affordable and spacious large SUV designed to tackle rough terrains with its rugged capability. This mighty vehicle is equipped with an energetic V8 engine that ensures a thrilling performance while maintaining comfort through its well-padded seats. The robust body-on-frame design, inspired by Toyota Tundra, further enhances its durability. When it comes to endurance and reliability, the Toyota Sequoia truly stands out as one of the best high-mileage cars available in the market. Its steadfast nature makes it a dependable choice even when subjected to harsh conditions or challenging environments. According to a recent survey conducted on this remarkable automobile, it's been found that the Toyota Sequoia boasts an impressive mileage record of reaching 297,000 miles. Furthermore, statistics indicate that there's a promising 47% chance that this vehicle to exceed 250,000 miles effortlessly, an indication of its exceptional longevity and resilience over time. In terms of maintenance expenses throughout its lifespan, potential owners can rest assured, knowing that over a span of 10 years, anticipated repairs and upkeep for the Toyota Sequoia amount to approximately $6,200. Additionally, any annual repair costs typically average around $640. The harmony between affordability and quality is evident in both the purchase price and routine maintenance. Lexus RX350. Another vehicle that is sure to captivate car enthusiasts with its striking performance and outstanding reliability is the Lexus RX350. This remarkable model underwent an impressive revamp in 2013, enhancing its appeal with stylish updates such as the iconic spindle-shaped front grille crafted by Lexus. It offers an exhilarating experience, as the robust V6 engine guarantees top-notch performance, while the meticulously designed interior envelops you in pure luxury and comfort. Lexus has always been at the forefront of delivering exceptional vehicles that seamlessly blend durability and opulence, and the RX350 undoubtedly exemplifies this commitment. Demonstrating outstanding reliability, this luxurious mid-size SUV surpasses expectations by boasting a lifespan that can easily reach beyond 300,000 miles, an extraordinary feat indeed. When it comes to peace of mind regarding maintenance costs over time, rest assured that opting for a Lexus RX350 proves to be an intelligent choice. On average, repairs and upkeep to this SUV amount to approximately $7,400 over a span of about 10 years, a reasonable investment considering its lasting prowess. Additionally, bear in mind that annual repair expenses stand at just $600 per year, lessening any potential financial strain associated with owning such a high-performing vehicle. Honda CR-V. Looking for a top-notch compact SUV that features extensive reliability? Look no further than the Honda CR-V. This incredible vehicle effortlessly combines solid build quality, a comfortable interior, and an abundance of space. But that's not all. It also boasts cutting-edge technologies, abundant equipment options, and exceptional fuel economy. With so many appealing features bundled into one package, the CR-V has undoubtedly become a standout choice in its class. One key reason behind the Honda CR-V's impressive reputation is its remarkable durability. As long as you provide this SUV with regular maintenance and servicing, it will surpass your expectations by clocking over 300,000 miles on the odometer. Talk about reliability that goes above and beyond. The longevity of the Honda CR-V is definitely backed up by numbers. On average, this trusty companion can conquer more than 216,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Plus, when you factor in repairs and maintenance costs over a decade-long period, totaling approximately $7,000, you'll quickly realize what an economical choice this vehicle truly is. With an annual repair cost standing at just $407 per year on average, owning a Honda CR-V won't break the bank either. If you're seeking a compact SUV that ticks all the right boxes, from dependability to spaciousness to advanced features, then look no further than the ever-popular Honda CR-V. Its ability to withstand high mileage while offering affordable upkeep makes it a clear why it continues to dominate its segment for years on end. Toyota RAV4. When it comes to reliable cars, one that cannot be overlooked is the Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has been dominating the market as the best-selling car of 2022. With its spacious interior and its ample cargo space, it offers both comfort and practicality. But what truly sets the RAV4 apart is its reputation for reliability. Toyota cars are renowned for their dependability, and the RAV4 exemplifies this trait, with its durable design that can easily surpass 300,000 miles without losing a beat. In fact, you'll often come across high-mileage examples still going strong on the roads today. This longevity can be attributed to Toyota's commitment to building vehicles that are built to last. Imagine owning a vehicle that lasts over 250,000 miles. The Toyota RAV4 makes this feat possible by providing exceptional longevity. On average, these impressive SUVs can reach up to 273,000 miles before encountering significant repairs or breakdowns. That kind of reliability gives drivers peace of mind knowing they have a trustworthy companion for their everyday journeys. Not only does the Toyota RAV4 deliver outstanding endurance, but it also proves cost-effective in terms of maintenance and repairs over time. According to industry data, owners can anticipate spending about $5,600 on necessary fixes and upkeep throughout a decade of ownership, an amount significantly lower than many other vehicles in its class. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser, an SUV that has captured hearts and minds, stands out as a testament to reliability, boasting the longest-running series in Toyota's history. This vehicle successfully strikes a balance between being a spacious family car and a sturdy off-roader. One of the key triumphs of the Land Cruiser lies in its unwavering perseverance despite racking up high mileage. With its exceptional design and engineering, this automotive marvel can easily surpass 25 years of loyal service and conquer over 300,000 miles or more. It's no wonder why fans across the globe have been captivated by its iconic allure for over 6 decades. Although production for the US market came to a halt after the 2021 model year, the Toyota Land Cruiser exited gracefully, while leaving an indelible mark on my memories, especially when it comes to dependability. Designed for those seeking thrilling weekend adventures, this robust large SUV is engineered to tackle any challenge thrown at it with unmatched prowess. According to an insightful IC Cars study, substantial evidence indicates that owners can confidently expect their Toyota Land Cruisers to endure well beyond 250,000 miles, success rates standing impressively at about 48%. Furthermore, another research conducted by IC Cars discloses that these remarkable vehicles often reach an astounding average lifespan of up to 280,000 miles before requiring significant repairs or encountering breakdowns. In terms of maintenance costs throughout a 10-year ownership period, statistics indicate that the Toyota Land Cruiser incurs an estimated $6,800 for repairs and maintenance. Despite this cost, owners recognize that it is a small price to pay for this legendary SUV's unparalleled durability and reliability. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.